this gentleman has had a lot of nail surgery, and you can see from the toe, there's not much nail there. There is actually no nail from here to here. But actually, there's some bits of nail there and there, and you can't really see it because it's really tiny. But every so often, what happens? You can tell the audience.
The nail goes to the point where it sort of pushes into the skin.
Yeah.
And gets painful, to be honest.
Quite painful. And when you came in, what day did you come in?
16th October.
Yeah,
a couple of days ago.
Yeah, a couple of days ago, and it was like really red and swollen. It was just bad. So we're giving him some antibiotics, and it's actually cleaned up really, really good. And so what we're going to do is we're going to remove these bits here, clean it all up, and then we're going to use a chemical called phenol just to kill off the remaining bit of tissue that's inside the toe. Okay, we've anesthetized this, so it's going to be fine. Hopefully we'll never go back out again. So let's do this.
If you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.
So just loosening up the nail. See where the nail bed is. So we can see some nail here, a little over there, and then let's see where it is. Yeah, we can see some nail over here. Any pain or anything?
No.
No, perfect. That's fantastic. So a little bit there, and a little bit there. So I think it's just very easy just to poke it out. Because what we were worried about was there wasn't much nail there inside. So we're just going to loosen everything up. Like this, loosen everything up. Oh yeah, oh.
The inflammation definitely isn't making it easy for you.
No.
So now it's done damage.
Yeah, it looks really good. I'm just poking this bit out. Oh yeah. Taking a little bit out. It's so fun. Fantastic. So this, hey guys, so this, it was inside here. Didn't look that big, but it's massive. Little piece of nail. It's pretty amazing. Let me just clean inside.
Oh, you're filming too?
No, not yet.
Stick it on your Facebook page.
God, no.
My toe.
Scare off half the people, I think.
Have some gauze, please.
Sure. You're not sending off the nails, right?
No, no. What I'm going to do is, I'm also going to take off some of this dead tissue here. Is that okay?
Oh, good.
All of this stuff, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Is that for ease of...
Well, it's just there's lots of scar tissue around here, so we'll remove it.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Will it then come back again like that? Or will...
Well, hopefully not.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that'd
just
be
kind of
great if that's the case.
like a little bit flatter.
That'd be great. It's always been fairly
Yeah, just the top.
bad since I've had that whole the nail removed.
Yeah, just the top bit here, because that's all like dead skin, so it's really easily.
Happy days.
Yeah, happy days. Kind of like callus tissue, actually. Because when was this procedure done?
A couple of years ago now.
Oh, okay. Ooh, I think there's a bit of nail up here too.
Oh God. I'm still bleeding all the time.
Oh, I can feel some punchiness in here. I'll have a look at that later.
I assume you edit this afterwards, you don't just
No, they edit
full
it.
length.
No,
Full
we
length.
have someone that edits it.
Yeah.
And phone ringing halfway through and all sorts.
Just trying to Remove all the scar tissue there. And if it heals the same, it just heals the same.
Yeah.
But at least it's cleaner.
Oh, would you?
Yeah. I'll file that down in a minute. Okay, let's just remove this bit of nail. There you go.
Oh, that was a jagged bit.
That's quite big. See that, guys? That's massive for a really tiny toe. Just a little triple check. Just want to remove all the dead skin too. You okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, no pain, right?
No.
So we need to double, triple check if there's anything inside. It looks fine.
Okay, it's been on for... Oh, maybe less than 8 minutes.
Yeah. Okay, 15 blade, please. And then let me just check.
Oh, 15, not 10.
Well, I could use a 10. No, 15 blade's better. Let me just check this out. What is going on? What is this clicking noise? Oh, just debris. Just loads of scar tissue. So we're gonna just clean that all out. Then it will make it easier to sterilize. Oh, you can just put it in the sterilized zone for me, please. Thank you. Just want to make sure that all these bits of nail is gone.
Yep.
If it's not, then it will come back. I'm just filing this all down just to make everything look a bit even and less jagged.
Yep.
You have had this done a few times, haven't you? Not phased at all.
Do you often get people getting a bit squeamish over it or worried?
Of course, some people, usually men.
Yeah, you surprise me. No, I was relieved to get it done, to be honest.
It just hurts.
Yeah, well, I'm on my feet all day, every day, so there's no escaping it really. So, yeah, more relief getting it done. So I've always had some form of problem going up with this or the other foot and things like that. So finally getting to grips with it.
Yeah, that's
Sort of.
quite a...
Well, I did, yeah. I imagine you can't wait until it stops growing out. You
Yeah.
don't have to worry about it anymore.
Like I was saying, I've grown up and still do it, but things like judo and stuff like that, and then my work, and then even walking dogs is bad enough, let alone anything else. So it just
Judo.
doesn't get any respite. But
Yeah, barefooted sports often.
they take a pounding, they really do. But even riding a motorbike is interesting with a foot like that, changing gear.
Tony loves motorbike. He does motorbikes too, don't you?
I do.
Yeah.
Had a Ninja.
Had.
Sold it.
Who chose to that?
Huh?
Who chose to sell it?
I did choose to sell it, but I thought I was going to buy another one.
Okay.
But
It wasn't me.
someone told me I wasn't allowed to buy another one.
Got ya.
I think it was your mother-in-law. Stop pointing at me. I think it was your mother-in-law. My mother-in-law
My
said,
mother-in-law is your mom.
your mom. So your mom says, don't let him do boxing. Don't let him ride a motorbike.
I've got it recorded on YouTube now that I'm allowed to buy another motorbike.
No, but I didn't say that. I didn't. What are you on about? Okay. So what I'm gonna do is,
I want a 5 blade.
Oh, that'd be nice.
I
An older one or one of the new ones?
I like the older ones.
Yeah.
Really bigger. I don't like these smaller kind of.
Yeah.
Okay.
They really are getting pretty small now.
Yeah.
So what I need to do is, can you pour some phenol, just a little bit in there, and then I need you to time it for 3 minutes.
Alright.
So when?
Yep. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. A lot of phenol. Pour the whole bottle in, which is fine because we're not putting the whole bottle on the foot, which is great. Just stick it inside.
Am I still in? I felt like a foot slip.
No, you're good.
I'm alright.
Can I time for 1 minute for them, please?
Yep. So now me and my friend who lives close to me, that I see him every so often in the pub,
Yeah.
3 times a week. He rides a bike too. I sold it to him actually. He sold his bike to me 5 years ago.
What, the Ninja?
The Ninja. Then I sold it back to him. Now.
What was it, the 600? The 1 litre?
600. I haven't had a 1 litre before. That's what I want to get.
That's the next one, is it?
That's the next one.
The blade.
The blade.
Okay.
If you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.